Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treat and thanks a lot for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we'll be making this oven baked sweet chili chicken with vegetables. Let's get started. As usual, all ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by preparing our marinade for our chicken, and for this we'll be using sweet chili sauce, which is easily available in any Asian shop. To this sauce we'll be adding some thyme, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder and white pepper powder. We'll mix everything well together and then place our chicken drumsticks into a freezer bag. I have here 8 pieces of chicken drumsticks. You can use any chicken part of your choice and it will taste delicious as well. So we'll pour our sauce over this, seal it up and then give it a very good massage. We'll let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or if you have time, keep it in the fridge overnight. Next, we'll be chopping up our vegetables. We'll chop up our zucchini, bell pepper, and onion into larger sizes, and then chop up the carrots and sweet potato into smaller sizes because it takes longer time to cook. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded every week. Next, we'll be seasoning our vegetables with some black pepper powder, some salt, garlic powder, and some oil. We'll then be placing our marinated chicken in a large baking dish and then evenly spread out our vegetables in the pan. We'll be baking this in a 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 1 hour. After 30 minutes, we'll be flipping the chicken drumsticks over and then give the vegetables a good mix. This will then go back into the oven for another 30 minutes. And there we have it, another simple, easy, and lekker recipe. You can enjoy this with some rice, or it can also be enjoyed on its own. Please give this recipe a try and kindly share your feedback in the comment section. Kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you've not done yet. Like, share, and comment on this video. And this is the best part of me cooking every time: tasting the food. See how tender our chicken is. And it's juicy as well. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!